Okay, now time to test these new picks out. Let's get some light on here. Okay. Let's see what we got. Now, tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, these tensioners suck. Glad I had the foresight to buy these multi-picks. Okay. That blue one might be a good one, but I need one smaller. Yeah, this red one would work for that keyway. Let's take another look at it. Oh, there ain't much room down there. Yeah, let me try that red one. Those things ain't going anywhere. They're right solid in there. Okay. Okay. Multi-pick. Nice tensioners. I'm going to use that biggest one. I know. Okay. First time I put a pick in the lock. That's too thick. That's not going in there. I have to use that black one. Okay, that's thinner. Oh, that's the left-handed. Okay. Okay, I can't get the pick in there. Gotta keep that thing straight. Well, this pins feel a whole lot different. Okay, that tension is critical. That's gotta be a spool. Yeah, okay. I can recognize that one. That's binding hard. Maybe I'm putting too much tension. Okay, yeah. If you buy the multi-pick tensioners, it's a good kit. And that's my review. And oh yeah, that vise. Device, I mean, not vase, device. I'm giving away one just like it. You can get this color, or you got 13 to choose from on the $44 website. Just look up Chuck Vise Assembly or something like that. It comes as a chuck top part and bottom part, and the bolt that holds together is a kit. 3 washers and a bolt. Big deal. Anyway, it's you gotta order all 3 of them, I guess. It's how I did it, and I think it's a handy, really nice little vise, and just half a turn comes right out. No cranking on a vise handle, T-bar, whatever it is. It's a nice little vise. Highly recommend it. Recommend those Honest dimple picks too. They're pretty good. Tensioners, not so much, but picks, I like them so far.